Hello everyone, this is Leo from Landpack Machines, and today I would like to teach you how to adjust the piston pump filler. And here is our horizontal Doypack machines. Let's go to this way. And here is our dosing system, our piston pump. So how to adjust the relevance of the measuring. So we could see that here is the handle of the piston pump filler. And here is the cylinder of the piston pump. So the working process of the piston pump will be from here to here. We could see the scale labeling here from 0 to the end. So the 0 to this sensor, it is the working process of the piston filler. So if you want to measuring more, we need to adjust the handle and make the sensor more bigger so that it will measuring more. So this is the way to adjust the dosing system of the piston pumps. If you have any question, please feel free to contact us.